Let's start with, are you reading closely and looking? Let's circle the question mark and go all the way back to the beginning of the sentence. Put your finger on which. It says, which of these describes this number? Let's cross out the R and the U, and now let's read our details. It says, David took 1,139 steps during PE. So let's cross off the R, and now let's circle the clue words. So this number is going to be very important. He took this many steps during PE, and I need to figure out which of these answer choices is going to describe or show the number, this number. So now that we've circled our clue words and we've already labeled what time is it? Well, it's 3-step time. So I'm going to go ahead and make a small 3-step over here. What should I do first in my 3-step process? The main idea. My main idea is going to say, which is the number? Which of these answer choices is going to match with the number that they gave us? The number that they gave us is going to be very important. It's going to be my most important detail, so I'm going to copy it down in my details. And now that I have my detail, I need to figure out a way to take the information in my answer choices and organize it. I know it's talking about thousands, tens, and ones, so I can organize it using a place value chart. I'm going to go ahead and draw a place value chart down here. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000s. Don't forget your comma. Split it. And now we're going to show our strategy by putting in the information here into our place value chart. Let's start with answer choice A. So A says the sum of 1,000. Oh, it's talking about the thousands place. Since it says sum of 1,000, I need to put a 1 in the thousands place. Don't forget your comma. Cross it off. Next it says 3 tens. So in the tens, I'm going to write a 3. Lastly, it says 9 ones. So in the ones, I'm going to write a 9. Cross it off. Since there were no hundreds, I'm going to write a 0. My number is 1,039. Does that match with 1,139? No, it doesn't. That was for answer choice A, and it was incorrect, so I'm just going to mark this off. And now I'm going to keep using my place value chart for the next answer choice. B. The sum of 1,000. In the thousands place, I'm going to put a 1. 13 tens. Well, if I put a 13 in the tens place, that would be a problem, because only one digit can fit in the tens place. Let me try and explain to you how you would write the 13 tens down in your place value chart. So if you took out 13 tens, here would be 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. But we know that whenever you have a group of 10 tens, it needs to trade for 100, because 10 tens makes 100. So we're going to write down that we have 103 tens. 103 tens. If that was hard for you to understand, think of it this way. Think about the sticky notes that we used whenever we were adding. Two numbers can't go in the tens place, so this number over here, it needs to go to the next place value in the hundreds place. And now it shows us the same thing. 103 tens. So that's what I'm going to write down. And now I can cross it off. Now I'm going to write down 9 ones. So 9 in the ones place. Oh, I forgot my comma over here. Let's see if it matches. It says 1,139. and it does match my 1,139. If B was hard for you to understand with writing down our 13 tens, it's okay when you're working on your problem and you're on your own to go ahead and skip something that's complicated like that and go on to the next one. So A was incorrect. B was maybe because it does match. Let's go on to C. The sum of 100. So I'm going to put a 1 in the hundreds, 2 tens, 2 in the tens, 1 10. If there's already a 2 and I need to put another one, 2 and 1 more make 3. So I'm just going to turn this into a 3. And 9 ones. There were no thousands there. So does 139 match with my 1,139? No. And let's move on to D. The sum of 1,000, 100, 3 tens. No ones. Does 1,130 match with 1,139? No. D was incorrect too. So if you go through your other answer choices and just eliminate them, then that will lead you to the right answer. B.